So right, when you attempt the eagle, it's very important you get the double eagle down first, okay? So, what that involves you to do is you're going to be, say, in the opposite grip, yeah, with the nunchuck facing that side of your body, okay? And you're basically going to go over your hand, and you're going to grab it like so, do you see? So if we do it from the other side, it looks like this. If you want to unravel, you'll lift your thumb up and swing it back round, and you can get it back to the position of doing the eagle. This is just a various rewind and how to unwrap the eagle position, okay, like so. Alright, so what you do, yeah, is you're going to put your hand out like so, with your thumb and your thumb below the nunchucks holding it, okay. You're going to put your hand out and you're going to drop this hand. What that's going to do is going to make the nunchuck lift up and go onto your hand. Do you see? So from there, if you bring your hands back around like so, you can do it again. You drop your hand. You don't bring it up, you only drop. Okay? So that's the double eagle. It's a very cool move. I like it. You know, it gives like a sense of magic to your performance, okay, on what you're trying to do. So they're what I'll be giving away in my Friday freestyle tutorials when I get 100 subscribers. So please remember to comment on that video that I've uploaded and I'll put you in there. Right, so what this one's going to involve, okay, this one, I get mixed up with the names. It's either called the sun wave or the moon wave, but I'll teach you both. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to teach you the fingers. So it involves these fingers going here like so, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to bring the nunchuck so they're not in line, they're kind of perpendicular to each other. Do you see? And then I'm going to drop them, and you see how I've caught them there on my fingers. Okay, if you just have a quick look around. Right, from there, if I lift these fingers out of the way and I drop it, it will open. Do you see? From there, if now my thumbs are in the way, do you see? So this one's a bit different. This one's under your arm. If you drop your thumbs, if you remember, you've got to have it not in line, slightly at an angle, because if you don't, they're more likely to crash into each other, okay? And you could break your nunchucks doing that. So, yes. 1, 2, 3. You can go like that. Yeah. You can go like that. You can go like that. You can go above your head. Yeah, and below. There's multiple ways which you can take that move. So I hope that helps you out as well. So there's multiple moves which we know, okay? We've done the double eagle. We're going to do the single eagle now. What that's going to involve, if you look, I've done exactly the same move. So if you're using a nunchucks with a short chain, you're going to use your 2 fingers instead of all of your fingers. Because if you notice, look, this one wraps around all of my fingers. Okay? But because the chain is not long enough to wrap around all of my fingers, do you see, it'll hurt my hand. So I'm going to stick these 2 fingers out. Okay, I'm not meaning to give you the 2 fingers. I'm just trying to show you what you're doing. Okay, so you're going to bring that over and around like so. Do you see? Just have a quick look around my hand. Alright, so do that one more time. Okay, I'll try and do it so you can see from this direction now. Okay, so you can see what is going on from my point of view, okay? Make sure you can see this, yes. You see? And it's also a very good way to stop your performance, okay? So we'll go on a few ways you can stop your performance now, which nobody really goes on about, okay? So what we're going to do is, basically, it's that, and you hold it there. That's an appropriate finish. But if you go to rewind the other way, you'll have the one stick, so it's crossing like this. See? So basically, you go one way, you finish it there. Okay, you can start like this. Pow! Yeah, you can start like that, or you can just unravel it and go like that. Yeah, there's multiple ways which you can finish. So if you're doing all your badass skill as well, you've got your wrist rolls, off, you bring it up here, you're gonna bring it in front of your face, then your finger rolls, and then you're like, well, I want to finish. Yeah, finish appropriately. Finish what feels right for you, because your skill is your skill. Yeah, it might be moves that other people have made up, but you're finding your own way and putting your own personality into your style, and that's very important to you as an artist. Okay, so remember, guys, remember that. See you soon.